Hey guys, welcome back to Ally Can Cook featuring Mama McManus.
Hi, I'm Mama McManus.
And I'm Ally, and on today's episode of Ally Can Cook, we're showing you how we make our vegan protein balls.
I love these.
Yeah, these are awesome and they're so simple to make. You can add protein into them. I don't, because I don't actually have a current protein brand that I really like right now. So if anyone has any recommendations, leave them in the comments below. But we get our protein from the peanut butter, our oats. So that's where the protein part comes into. Other than that, they're just really great snacking, energy, bite ball thing.
Well, they're perfect. I bike a lot, so they're great for me just to throw into a little baggie, and then as I'm biking, if I feel I need a little bit of energy, simple little bite.
And I love snacking on these throughout the day. They kind of just tie you over in between meals. So if you guys want to see how we make our protein energy balls, keep watching. We have all of our ingredients in front of us here. As you can see, it's pretty simple, not that many. What you're going to want to do first is add in 1.5 cups of oats. We use quick oats, but you can use whatever oats you want.
And then you add in 2 tablespoons of maca powder.
Maca is a really good source of protein as well, and carbs, and then it also just gives the balls a little bit of a chocolatey flavor. So that's why we added that in. Then you're going to add in 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. So now that you have all your dry ingredients in your bowl, you just want to quickly mix that up together, just so it's all combined.
And then the next thing you want to do is add in 1/2 cup of peanut butter.
A heaping cup.
A heaping cup.
Our peanut butter kind of spilt over.
Well, that's okay.
And we're using all natural peanut butter here. Then you're gonna add in 2 to 3 tablespoons of maple syrup, depending on how sweet you want your energy balls to be. I usually do 3, if I'm being honest.
But it's nice because it's supposed to be kind of like a dessert or a nice little treat.
Yeah.
And a teaspoon of real vanilla extract. This is really worth the investment to buy pure vanilla. So here it goes. It's delicious.
Yeah, we love it.
Yeah, I could probably put a few more spoons, but it's good the way it is.
And you're also going to add in about 1/2 cup of vegan chocolate chips. You can skip this step if you want, but we enjoy having.
Who doesn't like chocolate?
Exactly.
And peanut butter.
Exactly.
I know.
So then just mix it up until it is combined evenly. Oh, almond milk. Oh my gosh. I forgot the almond milk. All right, guys, this is real life here. We forget ingredients sometimes, but that's okay. You add in 2 tablespoons of almond milk. That's gonna help it combine. And then you wanna mix your mixture together. Just until it combines. Mixture should be pretty much combined. It will look something like this. And then you're ready to start to form your balls. So all you're gonna do is kind of just take up a little handful of it, press it together,
roll it,
and then place it on a parchment lined either Tupperware dish, or you can just use a plate and line it with parchment paper.
And they're pretty well the size of a golf ball.
Yeah.
I'd say a small meatball, but we're vegan.
After you finish forming them into balls, you're gonna want to cover them in saran wrap, or if you put them in a Tupperware dish, you can just put the lid on. Pop them into the fridge for at least 30 minutes so they can form, and then store them in the fridge throughout the week. When you want one, take it out, and you're good to go. You can see these are super, super simple to make. Really healthy, a great source of energy, awesome for after a workout or before, a little healthy treat if you have kids, for dessert if you want to give it to them. They're perfect.
And no oven. Simple.
Yeah, very simple. So we hope you guys enjoyed this week's video. Please give it a big thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe. We make new videos every single Thursday, and we'll see you guys next week. Bye guys.
Bye guys.